Nate in your state.
So let's go get some Venezuelan cuisine.
Billboard over here with a lot of other things. Ooh, look at this. What do we have here? Ooh. Nate is in your state.
That looks mad good. Okay, I ordered wood fire beef. That's one of them. And this nice small thing, I ordered like leg and thighs. Oh my gosh, it smells great. So chicken and beans, awesome. Can't go wrong with that. Looks good. I want to tear this up. I am so going to tear this up. Glad beans.
When I had the charbroiled chicken and the black beans, I was really telling myself, I said, man, this will definitely do well with some rice as well. But when I had it, it was actually pretty fine. It was pretty good. I cannot complain. Delicious, tasty, straight off the grill. It was some good chicken. I kid you not. That chicken was delicious. They had the green sauce, and then there was a white sauce that kind of tasted like a yogurt, but I really can't explain the taste of the white sauce. But anyway, it seemed to work well.
I don't know how to describe it. I gotta ask them. It's hot.
An arepa is a type of food that is made from grounded corn dough or cooked flour, which is prominent in cuisines of Colombia and Venezuela. I've never had an arepa before. This was my first encounter with arepas when I went to Viva Las Arepas. And the type of arepa that I had was the wood fire beef arepa. And tasting it originally without adding any sauce was really good. I put the green sauce and the white sauce on my beef arepa, and my goodness gracious, I tell you, as I reminisce on this, when I took that bite off that arepa, my eyes rolled back again because it was such a good flavor. There was some times where I actually had to sit and ponder and register the flavor for a bit.
Where has this thing been all my life?
This is a chachapa, and it tastes like a pancake with a corn texture. Let me tell you something. If my eyes roll back while eating food, you know this is good tasting food.
You get that blend of sweet and salty. Kind of like a pancake. I swear, if it had syrup, it would be game over. Because you can taste the butter for sure. Probably that's what's giving it its salty texture, is the butter. But the corn flour, sweet corn, jeez, man.
Also want to give a big shout out to Jinnace Gray from Jinnace Gray Illustration on Instagram. Thank you so much for my Nate versus Luigi Smash Brothers image. This was totally awesome, and I really do appreciate it.